Sup guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Perrin Charge Pipe. Ooh, I dropped one. These clips, I just assembled it so far. Hopefully y'all able to see that. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So I'm installing this Perrin Charge Pipe to match with the Perrin top mount intercooler. Hopefully I have that footage saved for y'all. But I tried to do this with a ETS charge pipe at first, and it didn't work out because of the size of the top. So anyway, so first you want to assemble it so the smaller half gets the smaller coupler, and it comes with this piece, which you're gonna have to use the OEM clip for. So first you want to grab a flathead, which I have over here. You want to take your flathead and just remove these two clips right here. One there, one there. Put those to the side. Take this off, just pull it up. That will come off, and now you have clearance for this. So first thing we're gonna do is, since we don't need the OEM charge pipe no more, we're gonna take this clip off that's on the OEM charge pipe to the Perrin intercooler. You're gonna pull these two tabs up and be able to just connect that like that. There is a 12mm down here. Hopefully y'all are able to see that right here. I removed it already, but you're just going to take that off. And then there's going to be a clip all the way down here. Hopefully y'all can see it right there. You're going to need a long screwdriver, the flathead, for it. Otherwise you're going to have to go underneath and take off the splash shield. So really quick, I just pull this off. Try to pull these tabs. Pull both of those tabs up. That's all you guys want to do. Pull the tabs up, or just pull the whole thing completely off. I'm gonna do it like that. Take this charge pipe and wiggle it on out. Don't drop anything on your way trying to do that. So I'm gonna just, my engine bay is really hot right now, so you just want to grab the clip. This is the OEM clip that I was talking about that you guys will have to use again, so don't lose it. Let me grab my flathead. And yeah, so next thing I want to do to install it is take the pipe, put your little, I think this is 2.5-inch coupler, put this piece on, and then you want to just slide this in. This is why it has the slots in here. So how I do it is I put the arrows facing down and I click it in to here like that. See, it moves freely. So this is how the thing works. These clips end up holding it to the other pipe, and when you pull on these and open them, it releases the tension and it comes out. So that's how this is all held in. So you want to take it, also before I start that, you want to take your flathead and take this off. If you have the OEM charge pipe, this is where it connects to on the Perrin top mount, and take this little piece off. You don't need that anymore. You're gonna keep that clip there. If you have the OEM top mount intercooler, they give you this coupler right here. This is part number. Hopefully it could read on there for y'all who might need it. Yeah, they give you this to connect to the top mount, the OEM top mount. But since I already have the top mount from them, I don't need that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and slide this down in here, have it on the turbo. Now what you're gonna do is take it, press down on it so that it connects, in the thing, pull on it. I don't know if y'all could see that. It's not the camera shaking that hard, it's the fucking car. Make sure that thing is in there, because you don't want that to blow off and then leave you stranded, you know? So you want to make sure that you do that properly, or at least make sure that it's in there. Next thing you want to do, I have this a little too high just because of what I've been dealing with, which I tried the ETS charge pipe on this and it didn't work out because it's a different size diameter for this hose compared to the actual charge pipe. So I had this up a little bit. I was trying to take some pictures so I can show. Maybe I'll put that in the video for y'all. So you want to make sure that you have some room here, and you want to have it on the hose, and you want to have it on the top mount, and you want to tighten it down like so with a flathead. Or if you have a socket, I think this is a 7. I have a 7 over here too, which might help us right here. Yeah, it's a 7. So you want to just screw that on like so. Make sure it's on there. And you want to connect this side to the charge pipe. It looks like I have this a little bit too down, so we're gonna have to take that back off and take a little bit of the hose out of the piping. So to show you a better look on how you have to take it out from the bottom, if you do have to take it out from the bottom, so you want to come down here and you want to look at that hose right there, this hose. Okay, so you want to take 12 millimeter, put it on your gun if you have one, or you could just use a ratchet. You want to just remove all of these. I'm not gonna remove all 12. I meant all 4. There's only 4. And don't worry, there's only 4. Anyway. Okay, so you want to take it, set it down, or fully remove it, up to you, how you want to do it. I just say it's better to remove it, but I'm a little lazy right now. And you want to just remove this pop clip. So take it completely off if you can. Use 2 screwdrivers like I am if you need to. I use one to pop one and the other to pop the other, obviously, and as best as I can, but sometimes it don't work. Okay, so now I have it off. It's just hanging here. So now you want to come up here, come over on this side and just pull it up like so. You don't want to bend that little clip. So I'm gonna reach. Whew, it's a little hot. Whew, it's hot still. Okay. Grab that clip. Okay, like so. Grab that clip. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, put it facing down like so. It's hot, man. Jeez. Okay, so now we're gonna take our flathead, man, is this tight, boy. I'm just fighting with the pipe, guys. That's all. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with that. Okay, so if you guys can see, this is the start of the coupler. The hose is about here. We're gonna try to push it a little more bit out, like that. Okay, so now the end of the thing is here. End of the pipe is here. It's about half a finger I'd say. You want to take it, you want to tighten it down. I like to tighten it where you can see both of these in the same spot. You want to tighten that down. You want to make sure that this is straight. You don't want it crooked. You want to make sure that this is straight with the hose. And you want to have some room in between. So this is the end of the hose right here. This is a clamp. This is the end of the hose. This is the end of the pipe. This is a clamp. Put it here like this. Make sure it's straight on there. Tighten that down. Maybe I tightened it a little bit too much. Just do it like that. Okay. So this is tight. Oh, this is a little loose right now. That was test fitting. Or for test fitting. You really want to have these loose when you're test fitting. Just saying. So then we're gonna put this on here like so. Make sure we're able to get it in the actual hose there. You want to push down here. Push down. You want to pull up, see if it comes up at all. It's not. So you got that out. There's no 12mm or anything for this to bolt down to on this. On the ETS one there is. So here you want to put the clamp back on and tighten it down. Make sure that it's straight. Make sure you have some hose left over on the pipe. Make sure the name is facing forward. That's how they designed it. Then you want to make sure you tighten it towards the intercooler. Make sure that's tight and you should be good. Okay, almost forgot. Gotta put stuff back. So we're gonna put this back. This little plastic snorkel for the intake. You just press it down in there like that. Make sure these line up. These little holes. Take your little pop clips. Push them in like so. And then so push it in and then push the top into it and you'll hear it click. Keys. Put the keys down. Sure I'm neutral, press the clutch in. Start the car. Almost said motorcycle. So now hopefully y'all can still hear me. If the car starts to bog down and dies out on you, well, you didn't hit the gas, no nothing, then you have a major boost leak. You will have issues. You need to fix that before you start driving on the road, otherwise it will die in traffic and you will be assed out. So you want to make sure that you're able to start it and it runs fine. Second, you want to try to rev the car. Make sure you're able to rev it and it goes back down and revs. And you can hear the turbo spooling and it's fine. Runs perfectly well. It's still a little bit cold, but it's fine. This has no boost leaks. We're also gonna check. We're gonna have the e-brake pulled still because I'm on a hill. or I'm on ramps right now currently, you can always, you know, do the professional way, have something going through the system like some dye. But I like to just feel around the parts. I don't want to feel down there because the fans are on, as you can see, and the belt is running. But you can check over there, see if it has any, if you feel any air coming from there, from the actual hose. But this is fine. This is why I say you want to have a little bit, so if you do have any issues, you're able to see it a little bit better, in my opinion. So this is good. These are tight. The hoses, the clamps are tight. The hose is not going nowhere. You can see even when I'm moving it right now, it's not gonna bump into nothing. It's not gonna, you know, go nowhere. But it is, I do like the design of the other ones where it does have a bolt that goes in there so you can hold it. It's just peace of mind for me. But that's how you install the Perrin Charge Pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and start driving and let y'all know how it is, how it runs. The top mount, awesome top mount from them too. I just want to say it was really nice, and I absolutely love that they give you the option of having black without charging extra for it. So you just want to clean up. I'm just cleaning up, getting rid of the old charge pipe. So this is the restrictive one that your car comes with from factory. Really tiny. You can't really see that on camera, I don't think, but very tiny. Smooth though inside, which is kind of neat. That's the install for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully I'll have a video of me doing the top mount that I can release to y'all. Probably won't have any sound, but let me know what y'all think of the video, and also if you guys like the GoPro view, the head mount, or if you like just having a stationary spot for me to record the videos. But that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out.